We're going to do the right arm right now after you can do the left arm. Go ahead, put your left knee on the bench. The arm that we're doing is the right arm, so we're going to put the right leg out wide on the floor. So let's say we're doing the right arm, right leg's on the floor. Go ahead, bend forward, put your hand there. Good. Stick your butt outward, slightly bend your knee. Boom. Nice and locked, spine is straight. Grab the weight. In the beginning, you leave the weight right there on the bench. Bring your arm up so it's parallel to the floor. You don't want to move the arm during the set. Keep it solid. Shoulder back and down. Now, he's got a 90-degree angle. That's perfect. Now go ahead and lock it out all the way. Bam. Tricep is working. It's getting there. Breathe in on the way down. 90-degree angle. Another thing, you want to keep your wrist nice and straight. Right there. Bam. If you're here, no good. Nice and straight. Go ahead, blow out on the way out. Breathe in on the way down. His head. Notice his head. He's looking down straight. His spine is nice and straight. This shoulder here is down.